Kublai phi baro kinigilongi kubor bamtagasni. Menteri Rangba ke Meghalaya Konrad ke sangma hagasni palai ha sekretarian ubo eka kentien baka jela la persang ban Pyni ya ka mining ha komti juktumai scientific but ka persang kadai ka bayat shakman. Ubo eka kentien baki briu ke badan ha list banne ka mining kila pau da ki license baki investment kila penpau ha ki level baper. Kumjuru da ka penyam yaki equipment badan kam banong shai. Ka mining haki level baper kala pelong ngila flag off yaki operation ke bala penman da kerukam scientific barki equipment ke badan kam kila put haka kamai ban penyap yaki regulation UCM uang. Uang bakhat nyaw lane arpo ki application banyadai ki license kila yad ba. Badbun ki weipat ki dan kam banyada hakeli. Menteri Rangba uang bahadin baka benta ka bakraw ha gajingyada yaki license kala persyang ka sistem kala long ha benta bat kajing sngoba ka bakraw kala poi ha gajingyada yaki minus kumno ka bayat shakman. Chief Minister Open Pauru baga benta ka kraw bat ka basiu jing kerpang jong ka mining na marbun ki jing kum ki district council ki regulation jong ka sorkar bar ki jing ki bala ban Pyni uang baka sorkar kala ban yarap hagi benta baper ban ai ke jing sngoba bar ka jingya kum ka jingya da ka bala ban snothu yaki pat ba. Menteri Rangba ru Phah baga jela kala yo eka kentien na ka sorkar India ha ki benta procedural ki bladan kam ha ka mining bar kala ban long ban Pyni ya ki proses ka mining scientific ha Meghalaya kala ya chakman bar ka system bar ki procedure ki bala penyap kala ban Pyni ya ka mining kum karukam ki baya chakman laong.
That 4 individuals have been given licenses and different investments have been made at different levels. Equipments have been placed at those, and in certain levels, certain level of mining has started. In fact, there was one instance where we had sent and flagged off the scientifically mined coal in a certain batch. Twice it has happened, in fact. And now the further investments, as I said, in the equipments are taking place so that the mandate is met and the scientific mining takes place. Approximately, I don't remember the exact numbers, I apologize for that, but about 17 to 20 more applications for licensed mines is lying with central government. I expect those procedures, now that the kind of the SOPs are clear and the first 4 were clear, which was the most difficult part. I expect that the other 17 or 20 odd applications and many more now coming in should be getting the licenses also very soon. So it's a process. As I said, it's a new system, new technology, new procedure. So therefore, it took some time for us to get into place. But I would be not wrong in saying that the more difficult part is over for us, and now it's just a question of expanding it and involving as many more miners as possible. Subject, there's no doubt about it. It's very, very complicated, and for many years this has been debated, and previous governments and in the past also this challenge has always been there, where the question of the purpose of council and who is supposed to serve versus decisions being made by uh, the governments then to allow the voting when the council was formed. So it's a very complex problem. It's not something that one can just simply move forward and say, okay, we're going to stand here, we're going to stand there, we're going to do this, we're going to do that. And it's got multiple complications, it's got multiple connotations, multiple impacts at all levels. So it's not very simple. And therefore, as a party, of course, we always discuss and we debate all these aspects, and we'll continue to examine to see how we can move forward in this in a manner in which we'll be able to carry everybody along and come to some kind of a conclusive decision which will be balanced and something that people can agree to. So our discussions are on, and we are, as a party, we are very actively examining on what are the possibilities of how to move forward in this. We have approached. I have approached the government of India on this issue, And the reply we had received was that there are some other councils and some states in which they are still streamlining the different aspects. But this was, of course, about 3-4 months back. I do expect that they would have resolved those issues. I hope that it will come up, and we have been continuously following up with Government of India to ensure that the 125th Amendment is passed in the Parliament.